現在幾點
？4點34。
呢個就係我哋嘅早餐啦。琴晚食剩嘅 Taco Bell，搭9點嘅機，我大概12點去到劍湖城。
出發！
期待嗎？
期待。
這是你最想去的地方吧？
對啊，美國最重要的地方。
我想要訪問你。
你要訪問我什麼？
你聽那麼久粵語，你會講嗎？
不會。講髒話。
你還是開車吧。好靚啊！
你現在凌晨4點，他們到底開車是幹嘛？通勤上班？
你不要講廢話好不好？
太累了吧！現在星期6。
所以呢？你沒看過人4點鐘在開車哦。
Jolene said you're a beautiful talker, a singer of pictures, a pixie-tongued hawker, a love-horned hobo, a jingle-jangle man who keeps lost treasures in the palm of his hand. Jay became a daydream juggler all for her. He would open doors with the slightest murmur. He'd lift her up and then they'd look down at the sky. She knew he'd stare down
他叫我停前面，因为前面已经没位置停了。
沒有邊的位置，旁邊有柱子之類的。拜拜！我哋停喺呢間酒店20蚊美金一日，要等到6點半。
No? Mama's gonna sit on the chair. I'm gonna sit here. What did we say? Oh, it's red. So it's not-
我们在这边吧。好。然后你借我一下。
Immediately to gate B9. This is the final immediate running call for United Flight 203 service.
.好，我们现在到 Salt Lake City 坐了大概3个小时的飞机，有1个小时的时差，所以现在是11点40分。
Through gate B11, American Airlines.
好快就，而家我哋去攞車，唉，我哋吹晒氣。
修一下变好滑了。有啊，它有那个板子啊。超敏感。
嘢食，然後再繼續出發。這一家沃爾瑪沒有我們想要的薯片，我們想要買的。
中大
我想吃2個漢堡，你要啊？這是我喜歡的。
2個香港小香腸。漢堡的話，我們那邊的沃爾瑪是會給一包醬啊，我是沒看到醬啊。那東西丟掉了。
先丟嘛，你跟 Pringles 一樣顏色。
Through the fragments of my youth, and I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles, one way in and one way out. My love, it's gonna be a while till I know who I am again. After you. After you. So I wake here.
呢度可以借啲 board game 玩喎。環境都唔錯。
We have a list.
Tried, I could not fight change. I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles.
可樂啦，糖超大薯片，一大堆嘅，我至愛嘅杯麵，啲飯萬一冇嘢食。